Dumela, welcome back to Setswana Class. Today we'll be learning alphabets. So I have done this alphabet and I was using a computerized voice. A lot of people commented saying I should do them in person. So here we are today. I will be typing as we go, so please bear with me if I make mistakes and just wait for me to get it right, okay? So let's get into it. The first alphabet is A, or in Setswana, it sounds like A, A, A. Example, Batswana, Batswana, A. The second alphabet is B, B, B. Example, Bana, B, Bana. Children. Oh, I'm also translating this, so don't get confused. Bana in Setswana means children or kids. Just go with kids. B, B. I think I shouldn't translate because then it's confused. Okay. Then we have ch, ch, ch. Example, chelete, ch, ch. And then we have d, d, diphologolo, diphologolo. And then we have e, e, e. This e sounds pili, e. And then we have oh, we got lost. Okay, no, the e does not appear. It's an e with a little thing on top. It's a. It's another e. Let's see. A. Example, M. E. Then we have example, fufa, fufa. And then we have example, khana, khana. So in just a lot of people who don't speak Setswana always don't want to make the sound, and then it changed the whole thing altogether. So I encourage you to say instead of ga, like how you would say it in English. It's and then we have this it's let's see, example, hema, hema. And then we have e, e. Example, bina, e, bina. And then we have j, Example, jana, jana, j. And then we have example, kima, kima. And then we have lema, lema, or lela, and then we have meno, 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 or mele, mele. And then we have na, na, na. And then we have o, or o, o, mozi, mozi. And then we have o, is the same like o with a little head. O, bona, bona. And then we have p, p, p. Example, pizzi, p, pizzi. Oh my goodness, this is harder than I thought. So thank you for watching this video. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. And then we have like palichi, palichi. And then we have r, r, runa or rera, runa, or example, rera, r. And then we have s, s. Example, situa, situa, situa. And then we have t, oh, t, 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 t. Yeah, it's a t. Trying to figure out the sound. T. It's t, t. Example, yes, 10. This is harder. Okay, and then we have example, tusa, tusa. And then we have u, u. Example, pula, pula. And then we have wo, 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 wena, wena. That's example. And then we have y, E. E. Example. Tsamaya. E. So those are the alphabets in Setswana, but we do have other additional ones I would like to add. Here we have this is like TL, but this to explain this, there's like a certain, should I say, tribes of people that speak using this a lot. So you hear them saying it's also used as a proper Setswana. Tlaya kwan or tla kwan. Tla kwan, which means come here. And then we have another one is for, let's say, klapa. Klapa. And then we have tameka. Tameka. So you will notice that in Setswana alphabet, there is no just C standing alone, and there is no Q, and there is no X, and also there is no Z or Z. So yes, that's the alphabet. I think I just butchered my way through them. So that's pretty much how they sound. And if there's any mistake, I think some of Botswana will tell me and I will update where I might have made a mistake. Okay. Yeah. That's pretty much it. So go fitlhela ko bana gape mo nakong e tlang. Salang sentle. Go siame. Bye.